Graphic design has always been a powerful blend of creativity, technical skills, and artistic intuition. From branding to advertising, every business, influencer, and entrepreneur relies on strong visual communication to stand out. But with the rise of artificial intelligence, things are changing fast. AI is now capable of generating stunning artwork, logos, social media graphics, and even complete website designs. It's quicker, cheaper, and often shockingly good. But does that mean graphic designers are becoming obsolete? Can AI really replace the human touch? Today, we're going deep into the world of AI-powered design. We'll explore the best AI design tools, break down their strengths and weaknesses, and answer the big question, is AI a tool for designers, or is it taking over their jobs? The rise of AI in graphic design. Artificial intelligence has been creeping into creative industries for years, but recent advancements have completely changed the game. Early AI tools could help with minor edits, but now they can generate entire compositions from scratch. Take a look at AI-powered platforms like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly. These tools can create photorealistic images, fantasy landscapes, and even custom topography in seconds, things that used to take human designers hours or even days. Then there are AI-driven branding platforms like Looka and Brandmark, which can design entire brand identities, from logos to color palettes to social media kits, all with just a few clicks. And let's not forget Canva's AI-powered features, which allow users to generate social media posts, edit images automatically, and even create full marketing campaigns with minimal effort. AI is making it easier than ever for anyone to create stunning visuals. But does that mean human designers are no longer needed? What AI can do better than humans? Let's start with what AI does exceptionally well: speed and efficiency. AI can generate hundreds of design variations in minutes. Need 10 different versions of a logo? AI can create them instantly. Need a social media post with perfect alignment and color harmony? AI tools can do it with just a prompt. Cost-effective solutions. For businesses with tight budgets, hiring a graphic designer can be expensive. AI tools like Canva Pro, Vistacreate, and Designs.ai offer high-quality design capabilities at a fraction of the cost of hiring a professional. Endless creativity. While AI lacks human intuition, it can still produce stunningly creative results. Some AI tools use deep learning to analyze millions of designs and generate fresh concepts that might surprise even experienced designers. Consistency and precision. AI tools excel at maintaining brand consistency. They can analyze existing brand guidelines and ensure that every design adheres to the correct fonts, colors, and styles, reducing the chances of off-brand visuals. Where AI falls short: lack of true creativity and emotion. AI generates designs based on data, not feelings. It doesn't have personal experiences, cultural awareness, or an intuitive understanding of human emotions. A human designer can craft visuals that connect with audiences on a deeper level, something AI still struggles with: understanding brand identity and storytelling. Graphic design isn't just about making things look good, it's about storytelling and brand identity. AI can generate designs, but it doesn't understand the brand's history, audience, or long-term vision like a human designer can. Customization and artistic judgment. Sometimes, a client wants something unique, something that breaks the rules of conventional design. AI works best within predefined parameters, but human designers have the ability to think outside the box, experiment, and push creative boundaries. Collaboration and adaptability. AI doesn't take feedback well. If a client wants subtle tweaks, a designer can understand the request and make adjustments based on the client's needs. AI, on the other hand, often requires new prompts and parameters to generate a new result, sometimes missing the mark completely. Ethical and copyright issues. AI-generated designs are often trained on existing artwork, raising ethical concerns. Are AI-generated images truly original? Can businesses legally use AI-created designs for commercial purposes? Many legal and ethical questions remain unanswered. Despite its limitations, AI continues to evolve. So, how can designers work with AI instead of against it? The future of AI and graphic design. AI isn't going anywhere. It will continue to improve, get smarter, and offer more advanced design capabilities. But rather than replacing graphic designers, AI is more likely to become an essential tool for them. Just like Photoshop didn't replace traditional artists but enhanced their work, AI is set to do the same for designers. The best designers won't fear AI, they'll embrace it. Here's what the future could look like. Designers will use AI for brainstorming and generating initial concepts, saving time in the creative process. AI will handle repetitive design tasks, allowing designers to focus on strategy, branding, and storytelling. Collaboration between AI and human designers will lead to faster, more efficient workflows, helping businesses scale their visual content. Instead of asking whether AI will replace graphic designers, the real question is, how can designers use AI to create even better designs? The answer: by learning to work with AI, adapting to new tools, and focusing on the one thing AI will never have: true human creativity. What do you think? Is AI a friend or a threat to graphic designers? Let's keep the conversation going.